Hello everyone, I am Vaibhav and I am joined by Tejas. We are the students from Excel Public School, Mysore. Our project falls under the broad theme of health and wellness, with a specific focus on devices for fitness and preventive health.
During our research, we studied parabens in depth and learned about their health effects. Parabens are known to mimic estrogen in the body, which can potentially lead to hormonal imbalance, endocrine disruption, skin allergies, and long term health issues. We also conducted a surveys among cosmetics users, students, and shopkeepers. The results showed that most people are unaware of parabens and do not understand the labels on cosmetics products. This ensures us that our kit can play a crucial role in spreading awareness and improving preventive health practices.
Our goal was to fill that gap by creating a portable, easy to use, and reliable kit that detects the presence of parabens through a simple visual test. After exploring different possibilities, our research led us to the idea of using a colorimetric method. The user simply places a small amount of the cosmetic sample into the vial, adds the reagents, shakes gently, and watches for a color change.
Now let's look at how our Pureza kit works. First, a sample extraction vial. Second, rigid solution. Third, pH adjusting solution. Third, a dropper. Fourth, a paraben color chart. And fifth, easy to follow instruction.
Most of us apply creams, lotions, shampoos, soaps, and makeup without knowing what they truly contain. One such an ingredient is parabens, preservatives widely used in cosmetics, but known for their potential health risks, including hormonal imbalance and endocrine disruption when used excessively. This concern inspired us to develop a solution that promotes safer choices and preventive health practices, and that led to the creation of our project, Pureza.
In conclusion, our Pureza is a simple, safe, effective tool designed to empower consumers.
By turning a complex laboratory process into an easy home test, we can help people make informed choices and protect themselves from harmful ingredients. Thank you.